It would be doing people a complete injustice if they didn't go away from Sydney blown away with what we have. It's a fascinating story. How an event so far away could have had such an effect.
Well, what people most love about this tour of Sydney, I believe it's the beauty of Sydney itself, the natural beauty, and how clean the city is, how safe it is, and
our charm.
how humble.
Our charm.
Our charm, we are. But tell you, our Australians are humble.
And I love Bondi Beach, and most of the people love Bondi Beach as well.
We've got the most amazing guides that are so passionate. When people join us on tour, they're actually part of it. They're part of our family and always go away with a very warm feeling and a wonderful connection to our city.
Well, I heard so many great things about Sydney, and I thought this is a really good way to see the place and see things that I probably wouldn't find on my own.
My highlight in particular was Bondi Beach. I've always wanted to go there. I've seen a lot of pictures online and it was beautiful.
I thought it was a good mix between a historical type of day and also a little bit of social voyeurism, you know, who lived here and those sorts of things and who was going out with who, and I really thought that was engaging and really quite witty.
The energy in Sydney today feels like a mini New York. There's always something to do. There's a wonderful art scene, terrific restaurants with fresh local produce. Come visit us at Ultimately Sydney. We promise you will love every second of it.